What's going on, guys? Welcome back to R.P.M. Garage. Just wanted to show you the project car. I promised you all a new project that we're going to be working on. I'd like to show you and check it out. We've got it loaded up. Just made a stop to check and make sure all the tie downs and everything look good. Let me show you what we got. It is actually a 1956 Ford Fairlane Town Coupe. Now, I know it's a four-door. Not a lot of people like four-doors, but I'm gonna tell you what, I've got a 14-year-old daughter that this is the car that she wanted. She was wanting a Jeep. She decided she wanted an old car. This is something that we come across, and she wanted it, so I bought it for her. So what we're gonna be doing is actually working on this together. We're not gonna completely blow it apart. What I plan on doing is, you know, it does run. I did drive it up on the trailer, but we're going to get it running good, tune it up, do a little bit at a time, some maintenance, you know, some brakes, update the single pot of death as far as the brakes, and you know, its drums. We might convert it to disc brakes. You know, I just like for it to be a little bit safer for her, you know, of course. I'm check out the inside. I mean, it is a complete car. All the trim, everything is here. But I just wanted to show it to you a little bit, show you what we had. You know, like I said, all the trims here, all the badges here, maybe except for a little V8 badge in the front and the back. Like I said, it's a 1956 Ford Fairlane Town Sedan. Let me know what you all think. Let me know what you would like to see. You know, she is wanting to paint it, completely change the color. It has a 292 a Y-block V8, the original engine and transmission. But like I said, y'all let me know what you all like to see. Thank you, guys.